That sound. That perfect, leopard-spotted crust. The taste of a pizza that rivals the best pizzerias in Naples. For years, that was a dream you could only get in a restaurant. But what if you could achieve it in your own backyard, in just 90 seconds? The market is flooded with options, from portable ovens to full-sized monsters, and most of them can't deliver on their promise of authentic fire-kissed flavor. We baked, burned, and tested over 100 pizzas to find the 5 that truly deliver. The oven we ranked number 1, its results will absolutely blow your mind. Starting at number 1. Ooni Koda 12 Pizza Oven. Best Pizza Oven. We've been testing Ooni Pizza Ovens since the original one launched back in 2017. The Koda 12 is one of the brand's cheaper models, and after thorough testing at our test kitchen and an expert's home, it's our best overall choice for a variety of reasons. Most importantly, it's a sleek gas-powered pizza oven that lets you consistently make great pizza. During testing, the Koda 12 took 15 minutes to reach the recommended temperature. The manufacturer claims it takes 15 minutes to reach 950 degrees Fahrenheit, but we measured the back of the oven at just 830 degrees in that time frame. That's still plenty hot, and one of the quickest preheat times of all the pizza ovens we tried. With super high heat, this can cook plain pizza in a minute, while more toppings need an additional 30 seconds. Even when baking multiple pizzas back-to-back, each had evenly melted cheese and perfectly cooked toppings. At these high temperatures, you have to turn the pizza every 20 seconds or it'll burn. It takes practice, but it's easy to make pizzas once you do, and we found that a smaller peel helps. Number 2. Breville Pizzaiolo Pizza Oven. Best Indoor. Indoor pizza ovens are often easier and more convenient than an outdoor option. This Breville model can reach 750 degrees, the temperature required for authentic pizza. You won't get quite the same smoky flavor as a wood-fired pizza oven, but for ease and convenience, the Breville cannot be beaten. Like other smart Breville appliances, this has easy-to-use settings, so it's simple to choose frozen thin-crust pizza, deep dish, or a wood-fired style pizza. It's also possible to customize the settings to get the perfect results for any pizza style and personal preference. We successfully cooked a frozen pizza in 15 minutes using the oven's preset option and achieved fantastic results, nicely brown crust and golden brown cheese. We also successfully baked a thin margherita pizza, a pan pizza layered with cheese, and a meaty bolognese. We particularly love it for Chicago deep dish pies due to its ability to cook at lower, controlled temperatures. The pizza stone and radiant heat combination produces a slightly charred crust, while convection heat perfectly cooks the cheese and toppings. Number 3. Ninja Woodfire 8-in-1 Outdoor Oven. Best Portable. Want woodfire flavor without the hassle of starting a grill with charcoal or wood? Check. Make pizzeria-level pizzas by just turning a dial? Also check. What makes Ninja Woodfire 8-in-1 Outdoor Oven truly stand out is the advanced technology, the ability to infuse smoky flavor with just a half cup of wood pellets, and the versatility that is packed inside a small but powerful appliance. Making pizza in the Ninja Woodfire could not be easier. It has preset settings for Neapolitan, thin crust, New York style, pan pizza, and frozen. You can also customize the time and temperature for your unique style of pizza. The preheating times were long but not always so. The longest is 25 minutes for Neapolitan-style pizza, which is still pretty good for an electric pizza oven. The oven bakes pizza in anything from 3 minutes for Neapolitan to 20 minutes for a frozen one. The best part of using this oven was that we didn't need to turn the pizza while it was baking, and they still cook evenly with a blistered crust and evenly melted cheese. Cooking pizzas one after another was also quick. Up to 4 Neapolitan-style pizzas can cook back-to-back before needing a little time to get the temperature back up. Number 4. Cuisinart 3-in-1 Pizza Oven. Best Multipurpose. The Cuisinart 3-in-1 Pizza Oven Plus offers versatility, portability, and performance, and it's one of the more affordable options on this list. In addition to making pizzas with the included 13-inch Cuisinart pizza stone, this Cuisinart oven functions as a grill with 260 square inches of cooking space or a griddle with 233 square inches of space. Even with all of that functionality, we were most impressed with how easy this model is to use as a pizza oven and the consistency of the final pies. In testing, it took 15 minutes to reach 600 degrees at the front of the oven. It features a nice oven-style opening with a lid that folds down, and we found it easy to turn the pizzas, which you only have to do once, halfway through cooking. This means there is minimal babysitting needed, but you'll still end up with evenly cooked cheese and a crisp crust. When you want to move on to searing steaks, cooking hamburgers, or frying eggs, there's a dual-hinged lid you can flip up and down to convert between cooking modes and integrated storage space for storing the grill grate and griddle plate. Our one complaint with this appliance was the complicated setup, but after it was assembled, it was incredibly easy to use. Number 5. Ooni Koda 2 Pro Gas-Powered Pizza Oven. Best Large. The Ooni Koda 2 Pro has a 30% larger capacity than its predecessor. The stone measures 21 by 18 inches, with more than enough room to launch family-sized pizzas and hefty cast iron pans. It features a patent-pending tapered flame design that delivers even heat distribution and eliminates hot or cold spots within the oven. Where this pizza oven really shines is in the ease of use and advanced features, which include Bluetooth capability. There's also an expanded temperature range, so you can bake a high-temp Neapolitan-style pizza in 60 seconds at 950 degrees, or cook a low and slow pork shoulder at 310 degrees. After some trial and error, we were able to prepare some delicious pizzas with this oven. The tapered flame design made for a more even cook and also helped the oven reheat faster in between bakes. Because of the extra flame coverage, however, we found that we had to turn the pizza more often to keep it from burning. The digital ambient temperature reader and food probe were also big hits during tests since they allowed us to roast vegetables, toast garlic bread, and prepare a perfectly cooked bone-in steak. The Bluetooth connected app is a game changer for entertaining, since you can monitor the temperature even while away from the oven. In tests, we found that the Bluetooth still worked from up to 60 feet away. So, there you have it. The secret to authentic, Neapolitan-style pizza at home is now in your hands. Whether you're a casual entertainer or a pizza fanatic, one of these 5 ovens will transform your cooking. Ready to get that perfect crust? We've made it simple. All the links to these incredible ovens, with the latest 2025 discounts, are waiting for you in the video description down below. If this guide helped you find your perfect pizza partner, do us a huge solid, hit that like button, share this with a friend who deserves better pizza, and subscribe because next week, we're testing a pizza oven hack that professional chefs don't want you to know about. It's a game changer.